Today I'd like to show you students how to get on the school website and check your grades, your lunch account, your attendance. So first you go to www.tr10.us, find the parent pull-down menu, go to the SIS K-12 portal, click on that. This will take you to the portal screen and you type in your username, which is your lunch number. Come down to the password, which will be your date of birth, and then hit enter. It will take you to this home screen where you can check any announcements. There's no announcements for today. You can also go back up to this menu and hit the home screen. This will take you to the attendance. You can check that you're here. It'll take you to your course schedule so you can know your classes, how much you have in your lunch account. You might also be able to send an email to your teacher. You can also check your grades here. So I click on the grades. And it's trying to work. Here you can see your full schedule with your grades for all periods and all terms, so all quarters and semesters. If you click on your grade for that term, it will pull up all the assignments so you can see exactly what grades you received. When you are done with this class, you will have to go over here to the View menu and go back down and pick your class that you would like to look, the next class that you would like to look at. It will also show you any upcoming or missing assignments that you have in that course. And to log out, you just go to your name, pull down the screen, hit log out, and it takes you right back to the sign-in menu.